So I'm going ahead and preparing the sink beforehand with the strainer because it's just a little easier to do it obviously before installing it. And these are black finish, or a matte black finish to match the sink material. So when I have it flipped upside down, I don't tighten it too tight because I want it to be able to move so I can center it as best as possible, because I like to have things even. And once you have it where you want, then you start tightening down the ring so it stays in place. Alright, so we got all those tightened in. Now you don't want to over tighten that, especially with this countertop. This is a quartz countertop, which if you would over tighten these, it would probably end up making a crack somewhere around here, and we don't want that. Now that the new sink is ready, we can start disassembling everything with this sink. We're going to first shut the water off, relieve the lines of the pressure, and then unhook those. And then this has the little brackets underneath that need unscrewed to loosen this from being fastened to the countertop, and then we can get it out. Now when the sink is installed, it's supposed to have a bead of silicone that goes around the outer edge. I had one that was getting caught right there. All right. So before putting the bead of silicone around it, I just wanted to test it, and looks like everything's going to be good. If anything, I might be a hair short of how the other sink went, but it's going to be alright. That's going to look really amazing, and I think my wife will be pretty happy with the looks of it. Let's see if the water connections are all good to go, no leaks. Don't see any dripping. Everything's looking pretty good, I think. I'll have to feel up there real quick. I think we are good. Start over here. Uh-oh. Alright, I think that fixed it.